overgrown? What's going on here? Okay, here we are, September 5th, 2019. Bruce here, mesh grow bags. I'm going to show you how to plant giant bamboo today. I'm going to try to make it so you can hear this. First, get some giant bamboo. Here's some right here. I collected this in November. There it is. We're going to lay that down. Then we're going to have to find a hole. My gloves are a little dusty. Let's go find our hole. Okay, here's the view we want to enhance. So we'll go over here, locate our hole. Ah, there's one. Ah, how nice. Somebody came and dug us just the right size hole. It's got a little bit of water in there too. That's good. Okay, well, then once you wrestled your pot over to your hole like this, we've located all the giant carpenter ants. We're going to need to get the pot off of here, which is also going to probably release all the rest of our ants. So this is where we keep our ants. There, come on. There. Whoa. Look at that big mat of roots trying to get out of there. All right. And this wrap, that's my drag. Big piece of vinyl liner. Whew. Then we're going to need to locate this into the hole. Okay, so some of the ants are gone, but I think others are moving in, so we might as well try to get this done. All right. So we just lift up this into the hole. Try to get all our roots down in there. Oh, hey. All right, you're not going to get to see all the fun. Here, we got to go down to that end. Whew. And then we stand it up. Oops, I don't want to turn it that way. I want to turn it this way. There we go. That's a little better. I'm going to keep your hand shell handy for this part. We're going to need to put in a little dirt here to level this thing out. Boy, it's a lot lot harder than it looks. We also want to throw some leaves and mulch, sticks, and stuff in our hole down there. Uh-oh, no, it's falling over. No! No. We're going to have to get this thing blocked up. Get some more. I might have to go get a ladder and a couple poles. Ants crawling up my pant leg. Alright, I had to lay it back down to get my red flag off of the top. So now I'm ready to stand it back up, and I got some poles over there to support it. That'll make it easier. So, that's where it's going to be. Let's take a look, see what we got. This is our new enhanced view. Whoa, it's really up there, isn't it? Wow. I didn't think it's going to be that tall. So there it is. The biggest single blade of grass I ever planted. 22 feet tall. I'm gonna go have some breakfast now. Cut.